Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Zoom with Calendly. For this particular task we are going to use Zapier, which is really great website for making integration happen. So we need to either log in into our account or create a new account. It's completely for free and it will take you a few minutes to set up. So don't worry. Once we're in here, we want to focus on top left corner where is this option of create as app. And we are going to click there. Once we click on create as app, that stands for integration. We want to focus on top left corner where we can actually name our integration. I'm gonna go with Zoom to Calendly. So if in the future I'm in a need to go back to this integration, I can easily find it in my saved drafts or integrations. And we want to start with the trigger straight away. So it's gonna be Zoom. Too many. So Zoom. Now we need to pick an event. Let's go with a new meeting, for example. We hit continue. Now we need to log in into the Zoom account. So this is the account that I want to use. We hit continue and also set up the trigger with meeting type. Let's go with meeting or webinar. I'm gonna go with a meeting and click continue. So far we are getting all three green dots, and at the moment I don't have any meeting set up into my Zoom account, so the trigger won't suffice because there is no meeting. So in action we want to go with Calendly, but as you can see at the moment Calendly is not available in Zapier, but as far as I know, it should be possible to make this integration happen in any time. So if we can try to do it vice versa, we can start with a Calendly, choose an event, invitee created. We hit continue. We need to choose an account, continue, and then test the trigger. Let's try to do it opposite way and go with the Zoom. And just like that, you can, if the invitee is created, it will create a meeting. And that is even better option for you. And you just go the same way as you went before. Go with meeting, enter text, time zone, password, and many more. So just like that, you can integrate Calendly with Zoom. Thank you guys for watching and can't wait to see you in the next videos. Have a great day and goodbye.